Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Kevin here. We're at Toronto Pearson Airport and we're going to take a look at Alamo here. Some of the cars they have available. Again, keep in mind Enterprise, Alamo, National, all the same fleet here. And sometimes the Alamo is just more of the reserve in general. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Give the video a quick like if you want to see more of these. And in here we got a bunch of large SUVs. We got a Durango. Got a couple Wranglers, and I'm just going to kind of go around. Busy time here. Lots of people coming and going. Lots of cars coming and going. Again, this is Alamo, but it's kind of more where they got a lot of the overflows here. So we got BMW. And this looks like a brand new Lincoln Aviator. So I just wanted to see if we can take a quick look at this. This one's got Ontario plates. Oh man, this looks nice. Shout out to my friend Sean. Just wanted to do a quick tour of this. Wow, this is, and it's got the big sunroof in it. Ooh, this would be nice. It's got about 6,000 kilometers on it. Oh, and the doors are kind of electrically assisted here. Ooh, it's got the captain's chairs in here. Oh man, this would be nice. It's got the, looks like it's got the upgraded, probably a B&O audio system. There's the back seat. Got some really nice lighting in here. Yeah, this would be, oh boy, that'd be nice. Okay, where'd we leave things off? Okay, we got a convertible over there. We'll take a look at that in a second. And Aviator. Just looking to see if I can read the class. I'll have to check that later. Got a Mustang convertible here, and we got a Mercedes in behind, another convertible back there. Jeep Sahara, looks like BMW X1. And we'll just go around. We'll do some more of the Alamo kind of reserve here. Another X1 here on the corner. Oh, looks like we might have a bunch of X1s over here. We've got a Chevy Trailblazer coming up. A couple Konas. Oh, this is the first, okay, so this, I think this might be the first Kona electric I've seen. That other one we saw was from the US. Let's just take a quick peek at this. I'm gonna give my friend Jonathan a shout out to show him one of the Canadian Konas here. Kona electric. All right, let's take a look at the interior. It looks like it's got that new, is that the newer screen on here? About 16,000 kilometers. And there's the, oh, somebody honking. There's the console. Not sure what the range is, but certainly another option for today's gas prices. Although I've been thinking about doing a video, the charging situation here, at least in Ontario, is kind of somewhat unreliable. We got a couple more Chrysler 300s, favorite color black here, and the dark gray is actually quite nice here. This one, the dark gray one's got a sunroof on it. I got a Chevy compact, maybe Chevy Aveo. Got a couple of Mercedes C300s here, and it's a busy day. We got a couple people exiting. Let's just go over the other side of Alamo here. We got a Chevy compact SUV from the US. GMC SUV. I think that's a Hyundai Elantra. Got an Audi Q3. And a BMW, I think that's an X3 or an X, probably not an X1. We got a VW. Is this the Taos? Oh boy, I need practice on the VWs here. Let's see if I get this right. Ah, it is too, yeah. Yeah, from Nova Scotia, somebody drove that out, and this one's from Quebec. This is the BMW. Oh, this is the X. Okay, both of these are X1s then. All right. Okay, I think we're going to wrap things up here. We got a bunch of people coming, lots of cars available here. And as always, the staff are super friendly. Definitely is the place to rent a car if you're coming into Toronto Pearson Airport. Just a quick reminder, everyone, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, give it a quick like. And I'll see you guys in the next one.